With AI's growing role in admissions, how is it transforming the evaluation of applications processes, and what should students be aware of while applying?
So, a lot of universities are making use of AI to filter the applications, And what they're using them for is analyzing them, which is beyond the grades and the transcripts, like evaluating them where their essays are concerned or recommendation letters are their extracurricular activities. And what I believe they're doing is they're creating patterns, patterns of which demonstrates a certain leadership quality of theirs or creativity and things like that. So I think that's what universities are using AI for, and also something called predictive analysis.
Predictive analysis, yes.
Yes, so you've heard about that, right?
Yeah.
And what they're using is, what they're understanding is whether the student is apt for that university or not, based on the university's vision, academic requirements, culture, etc. So whether he's going to be a good fit. I thought that to be a little,
using a machine for predicting the
yes.
applicability or relevance of a human for a specific culture. How apt is it, or more human intervention is required while evaluating this part?
See, the initial filtration is being done by AI. Then finally the human admission officers are the ones who are going to make that call whether, the kid is right for the university. But yes, what I'm saying is that even the students should stop using, they should, I think, research about the university. Mm-hmm. They should learn about the university and bring that out in their essay. And I think that's what is going to help them get in. Because this year, I'll be honest with you, the admissions in the US universities was a very difficult process, because in the sense I have never seen so many waitlisted applications in my 22 years than what I saw this time. So definitely something is happening somewhere, and I really don't know what till I don't attend the International ACAD conference. But from my understanding, yes, AI is going to play a huge role, but there will be the students have to be mindful about the digital footprint that they are using, so it should not be very AI generated. It should just be about themselves and their application. Make themselves sound strong, unique, different. How are they going to make a difference, contribute to that university? It should be coming from their heart. I mean, they don't need an AI to do that.
Absolutely, absolutely.